everybody, how are you guys doing? It's a beautiful Thursday morning. It's windy. We've got great wind. You can see some white caps out on the ocean. Wind is about up to 25 knots at the beach. I'm looking forward to have some great sessions and show you guys some tricks. But first I gotta do some homeschooling.
Come over here and take a closer look, 'cause I can't get enough, I can't get enough.
So yeah, I just finished writing my essay and I'm just gonna go check out what my sister is doing. I think she's making me breakfast. Are you? So we're gonna have a tasty breakfast here. Wind still looks good out there. So I'm gonna have breakfast, and then after, when my parents come back home, they just went to a quick beach training. I'm gonna head out kiting down at the beach. Beach is on the other side of the island, by the way. This is the Caribbean side, this Caribbean Sea. And over all of these hills over there is the kite surfing spot on the Atlantic side. We've got better wind there, it's a very safe spot. Yeah, so see you later. So update, we are ready to go to the beach now, kiting. Kite surf is all in my dad's car. He already left to go to the beach, he's already there. Me, my sisters, and my mom are gonna follow him. They're ready. Yeah, so see you at the beach.
It's got me going higher. I feel like I can touch the sky. It's taking me higher, higher, higher off the ground. It's taking me higher, higher, higher.
We made it to the beach. Wind looks great. So I'm just gonna go and pop up my kites and head on out there.
Taking me higher, higher, higher off the ground.
Radio Smasher.
I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Oh, I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Dirty bit. Dirty bit.
I came up in here to rock like a fire, make it hot. I don't wanna take no pictures, I just wanna take some shots. So come on, let's go, let's lose control. Let's do it all night till we can't do it no more. We gon' rock it to the sounds, turn it up and watch it bounce. We gon' rock it to the top until the roof gone pouring down. Yeah, it's hot in here, the temperature, it's got these ladies getting freakier.
I got freaky, freaky, baby. I was chillin' with my ladies. I don't come to get perky, I come here to get crazy. I was born to get wild, that's my style, if you didn't know.
So I just came back from a great session. Wind is really strong, nice and east, the perfect direction. It's steady. I got some nice jumps, different rolls, and I'm probably gonna go for another one later. So I actually ended up not going for a second session since the wind dropped a little bit and it would have been too late for me to go out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have already done so, that is great. Comment below what you especially liked about my video, or any suggestions for me which I can make, or improvement which I can make with my videos. I'd be very thankful for that in my comments. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.
All these girls, they like my swagger. They calling me Mick Jagger. I'll be rolling like a stone. Yeah,